this was my first time ever kind of working with a software engineer directly. So I didn't really know what to expect. My name is Andre Battles. I am working for a company called SLM Holdings. We do have a stealth company that is specializing in fintech products. So the product that we are producing is kind of like a new age ATM that it's driven more by artificial intelligence and software. So we were just looking for a way to incorporate, some technology to actually, use a camera. We felt like I think it was Tesla that we were looking at, just the car company, and we were just amazed that like you have cameras that can detect people, as well as a human being. And so that's when we reached out to you. We wanted to try and figure out, first off, is this possible to kind of collect that data via computer vision, and then also kind of transfer it to a system where we're able to analyze it, visualize it, and then record it and kind of reiterate and train the system a little bit better. And when we kind of went into it, we were going to work with some people freelance, and we interviewed a couple people. And then we got to you, and it was like, oh, this guy is like, we have to do it. Like he's just first off normal, and then second off, like you communicated things really well. You were like, very excited about just the AI in general. Like you have a passion for it, which is, some people just kind of treat it like their job or their, specialty and whatnot. Whereas you clearly had like a passion for it. One thing that we were a little concerned about was just the distance, being in different countries and, how is this going to work? Are we going to be able to, streamline things the same way? And it was flawless. I mean, like it worked out perfectly. I mean, you would do things while we slept, and then we wake up and get to work, and then we'd have a couple hours where we overlapped, and we were able to kind of make it work. So I thought it was phenomenal. I mean, it felt like you were in the room with us, which was great. So nothing but good things to say. The biggest thing I would say is just the communication. Just being able to like explain to you what we were looking for, and you touched on it. Just being able to use as few words as possible to kind of get a point across instead of overloading or overflowing with information. It can be a lot of overwhelming to receive that, especially if you're not technically sound in software engineering. So I feel like it was just very easy to communicate the idea to you. And I would 100% recommend you guys. I honestly don't even know if I would want to, because I kind of want to gatekeep and keep you guys for us. I would give 2 thumbs up for anybody that's trying to talk to you guys. I would highly recommend it.